Well, it's almost 11 o'clock now, and I got myself a path shoveled to the shop. You can see the depth here, probably about 2 feet as we stand. All my trees are bent over in pain. One's actually touching the ground. It's still snowing like you wouldn't believe. And I cut a trail to the dog run so I can take the dogs out. Somebody commented that this wasn't much snow. Okay, well, if you'd like to come here and help me shovel, be my guest. Anyway, this is what I look like here. A lot of snow, and it's still coming down. Interstate 5 is closed. Everything's a mess. My snowplow berm is a mountain.